Our fourth graders just aren't learning facts and songs. They're learning something far more important.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise. When the flag passes, please salute if you are in uniform.
That every single day, but especially today as we celebrate, we have the chance to say thank you to the brave men and women who have served our country.
Why did I join the military? Let me take yours too.
Where were you stationed?
Where was I stationed? Why did I join 9/11? Where was I stationed? Mainly two main places, San Diego, and then I was in Virginia Beach when I was with a different SEAL team.
Commemorates the end of fighting in World War I. At that point, the largest, most terrible war the world had ever seen. We celebrate with sullen pride the sacrifices that these brave soldiers made.
The most powerful lessons come from meeting the everyday people that committed their life to service. This is the most powerful lesson our schools can get, making this cross-generational connection. Thank you so much for making it personal for them, showing up today, and visiting with our students.